It's like the joy just broke something in her mind. Or was it bad joy? Seems like there's been a lot of bad joy lately. I wonder if that's why there are so many downers these days. Or did I just... never notice?
All right.
We must catch him. Sometime.
Lovely day for it.
Righto.
Lovely day for it.
You flirt.
How can I help you?
Lovely day for it.
What can I do for you today? What have you got?
We're expecting a new shipment any day now, so do check back in a day or two.
Lovely weather.
Afternoon.
Lovely day for it.
Did you hear? They've caught Foggy Jack. Isn't that a relief?
They're gonna shut down his power.
Slow down like a normal person. Now down.
Couldn't be better, thanks.
Take your joy immediately.
Are you... Fanny?
What if I was?
I'm looking for Edmund, the butcher's boy.
He's late. He's always so punctual. Someone saw him going into the alley. You know, the one that always smells like cheese.
Did you look for him?
I'm not going back there. That's where the ploughboys convene.
The street gang? Oh dear. I have a terrible feeling he's in trouble. Maybe I should... should go and see if I can't straighten things out for him.
You will take your joy immediately.
Should clear up soon, I imagine.
Right as rain, right as rain.
Mrs. Cheney, I must ask you to kindly open your front door. The neighbours are very concerned about you.
There you are.
Lovely day for it.
You immediately. To help you feel better.
Now you're on the right side of the law.
Paging Mr. Churchill. Mr. Churchill to the front desk, please. Let me see. Oh, look at that. Now boarding on platform 2, local train to Avalon, stopping at Scarfolk. Blood in the Mist, Wilmington on Sea, Gormenghast and Brigadoon. Please note that Old Under hasn't changed since old George V. Hey, leave him alone!
Hey, fuck off.
Why don't you pick on someone who can defend himself?
Why the fuck would we do that? Oh, it's Arthur Hastings, Miss Victoria's pet. Boys, this is our lucky day.
Black dog!
Why aren't you happy? You need to be
Bring me down.
down up. Get happy.
Arthur!
You alright?
My legs won't walk. I think they're broken.
Did the Plough Boys say why they were hurting you?
They said they were having their fun.
Here, I'll take you to the pub. They'll get you a doctor.
They know me there. Sometimes they give me treats. I don't want to be a meat boy anymore, Arthur.
Do you want me to tell the butcher?
He'll be mad that I didn't deliver the packages.
Do you want me to deliver them for you?
You're good, Arthur. Percy always said so. I bet he'd let you be the new meat boy if you wanted. The packages always say where to go. He writes them so we don't get lost. Arthur! Don't leave me here! Arthur! Don't leave me here! Arthur! Arthur! Please! No! Do you remember Percy?
Of course I remember Percy. He's my brother.
It's just people forget things.
I know.
Miss Victoria said he was dim, but he wasn't. He was smart. and he never lied. Most people lie all the time. Did you know that?
Yes. I'm afraid I'm one of them.
But you're good, Arthur. Percy said so.
I'm gonna find him. I promised I'll take care of him.
Do you know where he is?
Somewhere in Germany? Or Russia?
Is that very far away?
Yes.
Is it very cold there?
Yes. I'm afraid it is.
You're not going to bring things for the rest of us.
Arthur? Don't leave me here! Arthur! Arthur! Please! No!
Someone needs a nap. Let's turn the crown upside down. Stop. So bloody the one that did it.
Cutsy. He did it. I know he did.
I wish I kept it shut.
You feel alright? That's them! Their hands are... There's a rock on the ground!
Can't help you if you won't help yourself.
Feeling all right?
Next time, stop after the first thing.
I've got better things to do.
Nice one!
Can't hide forever. Hide Sam! I don't care. Why don't you?
Blood on his hands. This. Done it.
You won't get away with this.
There's the guilty bugger.
Come out wherever you are. Give him the right and the left and the knee. We've got better things to do. precious. They did it! I know they did!
What am I doing?
Lovely day for it.
Eddie! Who did this to you? Was it the Playboys? Those fuckers, I'll kill them. You're a decent sort to bring him in. We'll take care of him, don't you worry. Here, have a drink on the house.
Should clear up soon, I imagine.
Did you find Percy yet?
All right.
Lovely day for it.
So much to choose from.
Nice to see you.
You can take your joy.
Sorry about the wait.
Oh, that's a relief. And this is for him.
Mushrooms?
Oh, no, dear. I supply him with the very freshest meat. Anyone can put a trap where they like to run, you see. But they won't go for V-meat anymore. I make it smell a bit rotten. They run right in. Can't help themselves.
I'll bear that in mind.
I hear he's open to new sources.
New sauces?
Oh, never mind. I'll just ask him myself.
Brilliant. I'll just take this back to him.
You can take your joy immediately.
Couldn't be better, thanks.
Did you hear?
You are not authorized. Please clear the area immediately.
I'll cheer you up, all right.
no!
Do we really have to do this? I think I have a package for you. Yeah, this is it.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Won't my man be pleased? It's so hard to find a decent cut of meat these days.
About that, where does he get the meat?
Oh, transubstantiation, I hope. Thanks so much and have a lovely day.
You are not authorized. Please clear the area immediately.
There you are.
Lovely day for it.
I've got your package.
You are a dear. And here's a package for the butcher.
Am I supposed to pick something up?
I found some mushrooms in the attic. I'm pretty sure they're edible. And a tin of axle grease. And some V-meat. I won't eat it when it goes off like that.
What does he do with all that?
Oh, that's his special magic power. He makes sausages out of the most atrocious things, and they taste wonderful. I'm sure he'll give you one. It's how he pays the deliveries.
Well, that's something to look forward to. I'm off to see the butcher, that wonderful butcher of ours.
If some scientist had told me Percy was actually from Mars, I'm not sure I'd have disbelieved him.
Lovely day for it.
You know, I think someone's looking. You take your joy immediately.
What's your fancy? Morning!
Come again soon. You know,
I don't suppose you've seen my meat boy, Edmund.
The ploughboy's broke his legs.
Oh, that's a damn shame. He's simple, you know, but reliable.
I dropped off his packages, and the ladies gave me these.
Oh, lovely. There's quite a shortage of cows in Hamlin, I can tell you that. Listen, we've got one small, errand. If you're up for it, I'll give you what I pay Edmund.
An errand?
Another pickup. Kinda big.
How big?
How tall would you say you are? 6 foot? About 6 feet big. My, source had it on a cart. Here, I'll give you a map. It's near where that statue used to be. You know, with the Mad Hatter and the White Rabbit and the woman. You know, where they were going to build a band shell, but then they didn't.
I know the place. I can't make any promises.
Of course not. Not as good as a wink. Say no more. Say no more. I'll make sure that they write on the package where you're supposed to take it. It's a bit, awkward to bring it directly here. Bloody hell. Oh, bloody hell.
You are not authorized. Please clear the area immediately.
Looks familiar, doesn't he? Please keep clear of the area,
I've a
sir.
sneaking suspicion that
We
they
are
want some
conducting an investigation into a possibly heinous package. Oi! You don't belong there!
We've got a downer
I
here.
think I see the killer!
Up there's the guilty bugger. Right there. Stop. In the name of the law. I love a game of hide and seek.
What the hell?
Oi! You don't belong there!
Who are you? Look what a cat drug in. You right. Yeah.
Oh, just,
This is for you.
Take your joy in
Well, I, for one, appreciate your work.
Well, that is frightful decent of you.
I hope you appreciate my work too.
Oi!
I just want you to know that I appreciate you're a good man, Constable.
We'll just go and have a sip of the old medicinal. Warm up. And then we'll see what sort of investigation is warranted.
Who knows? Sometimes situations resolve themselves in a blink of an eye. You blink your eye and the situation is resolved.
I'd best be discreet.
Makes you wonder if anybody's buried under Stonehenge, eh? And if they are, who's under our own little hedge, the wedding party stones? Maybe someone should check. Of course, all this was before we Anglo-Saxons became an island race. Back then, we were pagans and worshipped dark gods. The darkest and most important of the gods was Wotan, or as the Vikings called him, Odin. He was a war god. Well, perhaps he still is a war god. And the Vikings would sacrifice 99 men and women in a great broth to make sure he stayed happy.
I've had it with you! You're gonna get what's coming to you!
While he was still beating.
Well, I'm glad all that nonsense is over. Medicine!
Someone no snakes in my garden! Put that down!
Help us help you!
Give up!
Stop being so bloody selfish!
Joy!
I can't believe I'm doing this. What have we come to? Is this what we've come to? This is not who I really am. Oh, God. Don't mind me.
Did it? I know they did.
Sorry.
Oh, bloody hell!
Sorry, mustache.
What a lovely day to promenade.
Well, it doesn't kill you.
You did it! You can't deny it!
I should really get this mended.
Look, I don't even want to be here.
Lovely day for it.
I got a new compliment machine. It's so clever.
There's the guilty part.
We'll laugh about this later. wonder if my parents would be proud of me. Or would they be terribly stern?
Lovely weather.
Do you remember when we used to swim in the river? I don't.
Save a bit for the next minute.
I don't think I've been in Hayworth Labs since Harry Hayworth gave that big tour a few years ago.
There has been a slight hiccup in the disposition of the lab, and it is currently in isolation. No one in, no one out. Please come back later.
I'm a reporter. I'm supposed to interview Dr. Verloc. Oh, I hope he hasn't forgotten.
Oh, a journalist, eh? Have you got your press pass?
I left it at the office.
Well then, you'd best go back and get it, haven't you?
So a press pass gets me in. Amazing what people will do to get in the newspaper. Maybe I can go talk to Mrs. Oliphant at the Au Courant. See if she's got a spare press pass.
Lovely day for it.
Well, hello, dearie.
How do you think I used to run the 100 metres? Looking good.
I'm so looking forward to the battle of
Thought you were invisible, did you?
You will take your joy in it.
I'm getting old.
Someone hasn't been taking their joy.
I can't keep doing this. Lovely day for it.
Right as rain, right as rain.
All right.
Lovely day for it.
Fee, fi, fo, fum.
You will take your joy in it.
Wonder if changed my old office. That was fun.
Right as rain, sir.
Receptionist is out for
Right as
coffee.
rain.
Typical. How am I supposed to get upstairs then?
Pray she will.
A lady can't go without coffee these days. It's unthinkable. If someone would just have a bloody wedding, then I could get a cup of coffee.
I've a sneaking suspicion that they want some coffee.
If I don't get some coffee soon, I'm going to shoot somebody.
Let's see if I can get Mrs. Oliphant to give me my old job back and my old press pass.
Arthur Hastings.
Whole place hasn't changed at all, has it?
Where did you go? When you disappeared for 2 weeks? Did you ever remember?
I must have had too lovely a time. I was hoping you could use a reporter.
I'm afraid I've got a half dozen of them. Bloody useless, the lot of them. I've got 6 pieces on my desk, all about the new flavour of joy. Can you imagine? It's coconut.
Didn't Dr. Vlok make that announcement some time ago?
Gemma wanted to do a piece on him. I hope she hasn't fallen in a hole somewhere. I haven't seen her in days. It's bloody frustrating, too. There's all sorts of silly rumours about the tunnels under Wellington Wells. Gas leaks, water main breaks, maintenance workers at the pub instead of their posts. That were all true, Wellington Wells would be about to fall apart. I asked her to do a story about it.
Oh, well, I'm sure she'll turn up and everything will be peachy.
I'm sure it will. Lovely to see you, Arthur. Drop by any time, really.
Gemma was always digging up interesting stuff, from what I remember. Maybe I should poke around her desk. Maybe I should drop in on Gemma at home. If she's really vanished, then maybe I can get my old job back.
Couldn't be better, thanks.
Righto.
Would you like this?
I'm touched. Truly I am.